The word Siraat is often just like translated as a path, but there are many different words for path. I mean, in Arabic, you can say tariq, a road is called a tariq. You can say fajj, you can say share, you can say masar or sabil. But the reason why Allah Ta'ala has chosen the word Siraat, it's because Siraat means a path which is very long, it is very wide, and it is straight. So it's a long journey going to Allah and going on the right path. It will take time. It is very wide, so many people can travel at the same time, and that's why Allah Ta'ala says, Ihdina, guide us. It's not one person. We will be going in groups. It won't be an individual effort. When you're doing the right thing, when you're fighting against evil and you're doing the good deeds and you're helping people and you're rescuing people, it's going to be a team effort. You can't do it on your own. And most importantly, Siraat means a straight path. Now, that's where the confusion comes. I want you to stop and imagine for a minute. What do you see in your mind when you see the word Siraat al-Mustaqeem, or read the translation, guide us to the straight path or straight way? Imagine, what do you see? What I see is a straight road going ahead, a wide road, straight road, long road, going straight down to the horizon. And you know what? That's not what it's meant here. Because if Siraat is a straight path and Mustaqeem is a straight path, why would Allah say Siratul Mustaqeem? And the answer is that Siraat is a straight path, but Mustaqeem is not a straight flat path. Mustaqeem comes from the word qiyam, istiqama, qiyama. You know, when we stand up in prayer, you say qiyam, we are doing the qiyam. Mustaqeem is straight up towards the sky, going way up. So this path is not like a motorway going straight. It's like a road going way up. What Allah is telling us here is that the path to heaven, the highway to heaven, is an uphill task. It is like going up a hill. It is going to be difficult. It's not going to be easy. You can't put yourself on cruise control and go on a straight highway, because this highway is not going straight. It's going way up, and you have to put a lot of effort into it. And there are more implications to it. The higher you go, the closer you are to Allah. But the higher you go, the wider your view becomes of the world. So the more you walk on the straight high path, the real translation should be, guide us to the straight high path. So the more you go on the straight high path, the higher you go, the more you can see the whole world and the reality of the world. And one more thing, the higher you go, the closer you are to the destination, but also more at risk of falling. So if you've just started your journey going up a hill, if you fall down, you don't hurt yourself that much. But when you are reaching the summit of the mountain, when you're reaching close to your destination, if you fall down from there, not only do you lose all the effort you've put in, but you hurt yourself a lot. So Allah is saying, the more you come closer to me, the more careful you have to be, because there's more of a chance of you losing all that you have achieved. So you see, a mountain climber who's climbing Mount Everest, they become more careful the longer they have been climbing, because they don't want to lose that effort. And this is the message implied in this ayah. The more you go on the straight path, the closer you get to Allah, the more committed and careful you have to be not to lose all that you have gained.